Canon is our main partner here at PCI. We spent a lot of time looking at who would be our best partner. I spent a year traveling throughout the US, looking at different printers and different companies. And what we found in this world, in the transactional world, that you can't afford to have one of these web presses down for any length of time. Right? I'd say technology-wise, they're all pretty equal. You know, HP and Canon screen, Xerox, you know, I mean, the technology's there. Inkjet technology's here to stay. It's competing with offset. But what separates Canon from all the rest that won our vote and why we went there was their service. So we run 24/7 and Canon runs 24/7 with us. So they're here, they start their day here every day. They do their PMs when needed. And if we have a press down and it's after hours, they'll be here within 2 hours. So we're not down any length of time, and having that kind of partner lets us survive these heavy demands.